Hello everybody, welcome to Automation Industry 4.0 YouTube channel. We are in session 7 for industrial robot arm programming. In this session, we want to write a code inside of the RoboDK for trajectory tracking. We want to teach the robot to have a trajectory tracking. So let's follow us and to learn about this code. Okay, now we want to write a code inside of the RoboDK. First, go to File, New Station. We opened the new station number 1 earlier, and we need to find all components such as the RoboDK and welding gun. So go to the online library, click on here. It is connected to the online library. Search here type of the robot. For example, we want to use a universal robot with 5 kg as a payload, UR5. I search here and find a robot. We have 2 types of robot. I want to use the first one. So it's a type of 6-axis robot with payload is 5 kg. Download it here and double click on here. The robot will be appear inside of the RoboDK environment. The next one, we need to find the other components such as the welding gun. Online library, click again and comes to the tools and search weld as a welding gun. Weld. Search here. You can find different type of the welding gun. I want to choose the first one as a Abicore welding gun. Download it here and double click on the welding gun, and it is attached and connected to the industrial robot arm. Okay, we put a component here. The next step, we need to have a configuration for the welding gun. Double click on the robot, and this page will be appear, comes down, and we have here joint axis jog. I want to put 90 degree for the robot. As you can see here, if it is 0 degree of the welding gun would be like that. I want to put it here to have this direction for the welding gun. Now I want to make some adjustment to the setting for the robot right now. Press Alt, and first I want to have some movement on the welding gun. To have this direction, and to be here as a first target. I want to have some adjustment as a first target. So go above, a little above, and have some rotation and X direction, minus X direction. So release the Alt and press this key as a add a new target for the selected robot. So the new target will be here. Target number 1 is here. So now we taught the robot for the new and first target. The second target, I want to have some movement on the Y direction. So press Alt again and keep the green arrow and take it here. That's enough, and release the Alt and teach the robot in this point, target number 2. Other point, I want to teach the robot in target number 3 in the X direction, in the opposite X direction. Press Alt again, and opposite X direction, come down the robot. That's here enough, and release the Alt and teach the robot in this target. Okay, and again I want to teach the robot on the other target in this direction. in this direction, release the art, and press the target to teach the robot in the new target. Okay, the last one, what I want to do, press Alt again and to keep the robot the opposite X direction. So release the Alt and teach the robot in this target. Okay, at the moment we defined 5 targets for this trajectory, and that's enough. So next step, we want to write we want to do some adjustment and then write a program and create a program. Okay, before to write a code and to create a program, now I want to have some adjustment on the target. Select all of the target, control target 2, control target 3, target 4, and target 5. Rename it as a rename group. So I want to rename it PA1 and OK. All of the group, the name will be changed. PA1.1 is its first target. PA1.2 is its second target. All of the target we change and rename it as a new name. Next step, I wanted to create a program. So we have the first and new thing I want to learn here for the program, for the create a program. What you have to do, select all the target, control click, control click, and control click. After select all of the target, right click, and here there is one tab, create program. Click on here. The program is created right now. The robot is running in this position. Okay, now I want to create a program. Click all of the target, but press Ctrl and click on each target. You can select all of the target and right click, create program. You can create program directly without any defining the path, such as linear path or curved path, something like that. So create a program. The program is created right now, as you can see here, the first running for the program. So you can, if you want to have some changes here, for example, if you want to have some changes on each move, you can right click and change as a linear move or joint move. At the moment, I want to transfer the create program automatically, and this is another approach to create a program automatically. So at the moment, want to run a program again. The robot is moving on the trajectory and pass the trajectory automatically. Can pass the trajectory automatically. So the last one, I want to push the robot from point 5 to point A again. So I want to add one movement here, for example, from pass number 5 to pass number 1 should be as a this one. So I add one move J from point number 5 to point number 1. So run again the program to back to the position. Back to the position is completed right now. So I want to put a program inside of the loop. Right click on the program and click on here, such as loop running. So one double click on the program will be running during the loop. As you can see here, the robot is tracking the trajectory carefully and accurately. So thank you for your attention.